The Iron Clash, America versus Russia. Caterpillar D7R2 versus B14. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ultimate clash of steel titans. In the yellow corner, the pride of Peoria, Illinois, the relentless, the iconic, the earth mover supreme. Caterpillar D7R2. And in the red corner, straight from the iron forges of Chelyabinsk, Russia, the no-nonsense battle-hardened beast. B14 from ChTZ, Chelyabinsk Tractor Plant. Let the rumble begin. Round 1. Engine Power Cat. D7R2 roars with a Cat C9.3. Acered engine. 265 horsepower of turbocharged diesel fury with advanced electronics and emissions systems. But B14 doesn't flinch. Its IMZ 236NE2 engine pushes out 240 horses, and while it might not have the Cat's finesse, it's a rugged, repairable Soviet-born warrior. Score: power to Caterpillar, durability to B14. Round 2. Weight and ground pressure. D7R2 weighs in at 24 tons. Its weight is balanced, its footprint wide, optimized for traction and minimal ground damage. B14 tips the scale at 21 tons, slightly lighter, but designed for harsh terrains and swampy conditions across Siberia. Lower tech, but shockingly effective. Score: agility to B14, balance to Caterpillar. Round 3. Transmission and control. The Cat D7R2 comes with an automatic power shift transmission and joystick controls, providing a responsive, smooth, and operator-friendly experience. The B14 uses a manual transmission, raw and rugged. Old-school levers and gears. It's more physical, but it gets the job done. Score: ergonomics to Caterpillar, simplicity to B14. Round 4. Technology and comfort. Caterpillar offers comprehensive electronic monitoring, climate control, a ROPS-certified cab, and serviceability features designed for minimal downtime. B14 is a steel box with a heater and hope, but that means fewer things that can break. Score: modernity to Cat, survivability to B14. Round 5. Price and maintenance. The Cat is expensive. It has a high initial cost and high parts cost, but it is backed by global support. B14 is cheaper, easier to fix with a wrench and a hammer, and runs forever with minimal electronics. Score: value to B14, support to Caterpillar. Final round. Real-world use. In urban construction, Cat's efficiency and tech win. In remote wilderness and military duty, B14 survives the apocalypse. Two titans, two philosophies. One built for performance, one built for survival.